Spa filters do the important job of trapping dirt, debris and contaminants to help keep the water clean and clear. Spa filters are made from a membrane called filter media, which has tiny little holes in it. The media acts like a sieve. As water passes through, it sieves out any particulate matter. There are two main types of filters: polyester pleated, like this one, and micron. Most spas have pleated filters as their primary filtration, while some have an additional micron filter, such as the Vortex Pure Zone or the Jacuzzi Pro Clarity filter. Micron filters catch much smaller particles, helping keep your water even clearer. How often should you clean your spa filters? The micron filters cannot be cleaned and are disposable. We recommend rinsing your pleated filters every 1 to 2 weeks. If lots of people are using your spa, or if you're using it a lot, you'll need to clean your filters more regularly. If your water is cloudy, clean your filters once per week until it clears up. It's a good idea to make filter cleaning part of your water care routine to keep your spa pool water in tip-top condition. In addition to rinsing the filters every 2 weeks, you should also soak your filters at least once per month in an approved filter cleaning solution like the Spa World Filter Cartridge Cleaner. This will help remove dirt, grime and oils from your filters. Simply rinsing the filters does not clean the microscopic pores found in the filter media. Bonus tip, buy a second set of filters and rotate them. Soak one set while the other set is in use, and then you can swap them over straight away. Once you have soaked the filters, you'll then need to rinse them with a hose and nozzle, or use a filter cleaning wand to ensure you have rinsed out the filter cleaner solution before you put them back in your spa. How long do spa filters last? Generally, your pleated spa filters should last at least 12 months and up to 18 months before they need replacing. Micron filters such as the Vortex Pure Zone and Jacuzzi Pro Clarity filters used in some models cannot be cleaned and need to be changed every 3 months as they filter much smaller particles and clog up more quickly. It's important to remember that regularly cleaning your filters will help them to last longer.